There's 3 of them. It's dusk, and Bill and I are out here exploring by dinghy, doing one of our favorite activities as cruisers. We're drifting, then moving, scanning the brown desert cliffs, straining to see the expertly camouflaged coyotes. We're experiencing nature, one of the cherished ways we pass time while living on the hook. The next day, we're headed to a new spot here in the Sea of Cortez, the anchorage that will be our last for the season. We're joined by friends on sailing vessel Delos and sailing vessel OneLife, enjoying a beautiful Spinnaker run together. We passed the last few days exploring the Bay of LA and Baja Don Juan, and later today, we'll drop the hook in Alcatraz, a pretty spot known for its lovely beach and large sand dune. And after spending a couple of hours chilling out, and then quickly exploring our new spot, we'll join our friends for some late afternoon fun. So we're on the beach today, and we're gonna have a little game day activity with our good friends on Delos and OneLife, because this is our last official day of hanging out. So season's coming to an end. It's really sad, but we're not gonna think about that. We're just gonna have fun. So really looking forward to it. It's gonna get competitive.
Let the games begin.
The water.
You got your team shirts on?
Mm-hmm. Calico strong.
She knows when
We're
she's
doing
the adults. She knows when she's licked.
I'm ready. It's not a sight you see too often. Me with a shot glass.
I know, right?
We're ready.
Welcome to the grand finale of adult summer camp. Today we have 3 events. It will be Team OneLife against Team Delos against Team Calico Skies. The first event will be the Paradise Village Paddle.
Okay, everyone in sync. On your mark, get set, go! Look at that teamwork. I can't chug beers anymore. Get your hands away! I see hands in the water!
In our first event, the teams start out strong, but one team quickly pulls ahead. These overachievers, God bless them, are setting the bar high.
Yeah, Cal, we kicked ass.
We're neck and neck with OneLife, but unfortunately for us, we're beat at the last second. This will be our first time coming in last, and we can't let it happen again, which is why it's a good thing I know how to keep a soccer ball between my knees, a skill needed for event number 2.
Are you seeing if you can even?
On your mark, get set, go! Wow, you're going crooked, crab!
Go, 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 go,
Get him up! Get it. Ball between the legs! No hands, no hands! No hands! Grace is hopping like a bunny, I love it. Brooke's galloping. Hurry up! Keep the ball, run back! Go, 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 go!
Ten.
Wearing a button-up shirt is not my strong suit, apparently.
We came in second for this event and are hoping this last one will be a shining moment for Team Calico Skies. We'll take the required qualifying shot before this one begins.
I love these words.
Cheers.
So, Sierra.
It's time to limbo, baby. Finally, an event that requires a little finesse. This might actually be our chance. Maybe finesse wasn't the right word.
Everybody won one. How'd you guys sneak that in? Good game, Gracie.
After the games are over, we receive our goodies, which Gary and Brooke put together as the prizes for the events. They planned the whole thing, and it was a ton of fun, and will leave us with lasting, sweet memories.
You guys made me a brownie? Oh, I could cry. Can I have some now?
Yes, of course.
Oh my god, it's so warm. Oh my god.
Toss against some Coke. Or Brad.
I have no beard on my boat, so that's pretty exciting for me.
What's going on?
Thankfully, our day doesn't end here though, and later we're over on OneLife hanging out together for the last time this season.
Get it? Yeah, I think we got it.
We actually said that we're gonna
Gary still got his headlamp on his head though. He's ruined. The vibe is ruined.
He's lost the tie though.
He's lost the tie.
On our last day, we're spending the afternoon snorkeling together, saying goodbye to the underwater world of the Sea of Cortez.
Wow.
Huh?
Why are those fish trying to eat your life?
I don't know. I never had that before. Weird.
Today, these sweet little schools of tiny yellow fish have joined us for the dive, and I couldn't be happier about it.
Okay, we'll have on my knee. Weird.
The next day, we're headed out on a 24-hour passage north to the top of the Sea of Cortez, where we'll haul Calico skies out to begin boat work. It's a bittersweet passage, but a pleasant one, and knowing we'll be safe out of the hurricane box and also within a very close drive to the US border, making runs for supplies easy, we're at peace with our decision. Penasco, or Rocky Point as some know it, will be Calico's new home for a while, but when we're eventually done with work, she'll be in far better shape than she's ever been and ready to take us on our next adventure.
Only fatter than
Gary just found natural Velcro, and it's literally become one with. Can I see that? That's amazing.
It's gonna stain it. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's a shirt, Gary.
Okay, deal. One Life shirt coming your way.
Yeah.
I don't know if I remember how to tie ties.
Ties right there if you want.
Are they tied?
No, they're not.
Oh God, I don't know if I remember how to do this.
That tie works great with that shirt.
I don't even know if I remember.
Come on, Bill, you can do this.
Should be able to, right? Don't think about it too hard.
All over it. It was just a leaf. It was literally just a leaf.
Whatever.
Oh, honey, you're so easy-going. That's amazing. It became one with this fabric.
What is going on?
Namaste.
We're gonna find out this is like some
get that out.
poisonous, like.
Yeah, probably.
There you go.
Came back, it was like muscle memory. I couldn't think about it too hard. I couldn't remember how to do it. Although look how short it is. Nailed it.
I said ladies first, and then I sat down and started. All right, we gotta redo it.
Oh wow, that's.